Alright, gandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, ang pag-uusapan po natin is tungkol po sa National Healthcare Shield na for all the government institution healthcare plan. Okay? So, bago po ang lahat, magpakilala po ako ng maayos. My name is Richard II Fernandez. I'm one of the CEO Marketing Director po ng International Marketing Group. Ito po ang exclusive broker ng Kaiser. So the only person na makakapag-create ng quotation, makakapag-verify ng payments is kami po sa IMG. So registered po ako as an Associate Financial Planner here in the Philippines. Life Insurance License Underwriter din po ako and full-time po kaming Financial Educator. So, yan po. So, pag-usapan po natin itong healthcare na ito. Ito po ay designed para po sa mga government employee na katulad nyo po. So, ibig sabihin, dinisenyo po ito noong inilabas din po ng National or Department of Budget na 7,000 medical allowance to all government institution or mga government employees po. Kumbaga po, ibig sabihin, lahat po ng hinahanap ng inyong ahensya na category ng isang HMO na dapat meron kayo sa government employee is meron po ang Kaiser. Kasi nga po, dinisenyo po siya as for the government institution. Okay, ang tawag po natin dito is National Healthcare Shield. So, ito po yung mga clients namin sa government sector. Nandiyan po ang Senate of the Philippines, Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, PAO, PIDEA, and TESTA, and marami pa pong iba. Okay, even mga LGUs po, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and some of the state universities and more. Yan. So, bago ang lahat, ano nga po ba ang Kaiser? Sino nga ba ang Kaiser po? Kaiser po is under HMO. Ibig sabihin, ng HMO is Health Maintenance Organization. So, HMO company po, ang Kaiser International Health Group, and it was founded on last 2004. Ibig sabihin, 21 years na po tayo in the industry. Okay? So, we value on one of the Filipino characteristic, strong and close-knit family ties. And this product is designed to each and for the Filipino family. We have network of providers, accredited doctors of more than 12,000 and growing. And hospitals, clinics, more than 2,000 and growing. And tayo lang po ang HMO company na may sariling medical center or Kaiser Medical Center na 9 clinics and growing po. Okay? So, yan. So, we have network of providers and we offer 24/7 call center, customer care center, and liaison officer. Okay? Kasi po, ang sakit, ang aksidente is 24/7. Hindi natin alam kung kailan ang mangyayari. At least ready po tayo. At the same time, may 24/7 tayong call center, customer care, and liaison officer. Our network providers po, yung mga accredited hospitals, even major hospitals po here in the Philippines, even yung mga major hospitals po sa inyong mga provinces, is accredited po tayo. So, meron. Okay? And we have a list po ng mga accredited hospitals, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Pakita po namin later. Our exclusive broker po, as I mentioned earlier, is ang IMG or International Marketing Group. So, who are eligible? Para kanino po ba ito? Para po ito sa inyong mga government employees or sector na nasa government po. Okay? So, casual man yan, regular, contractual, appointive or elective, or full-time or part-time basis. So, of course, the group applicant must have an authorized or designated signatory representing their respective government agency, institution, or government offices. Okay? All applications will be subject to underwriting guidelines and approval. Ang eligible naman po sa mga na edad, okay? Para dito sa HMO na ito is edad 18 to 65 years old. Ang eligible naman na dependent, no? So ang kagandahan po sa ating health card, pwedeng magkaroon ng dependent. Magdedepende din po sa inyo, no? Kung lalagyan niyo po yung magdedepende din sa inyo. Okay? So ngayon, may chance po For married members, kung kayo po ay kasal, ito yung pwede nyo maging dependents. Sino po sila? At least, asawa nyo po na legal, 18 to 65 years old po yung edad nila. Okay? Ganon din po kung tayo may mga anak na edad 1 to 21-year-old, okay, na hindi pa kasal at walang trabaho and tumitira pa sa ating bahay sa puder natin na umaasa pa po sa atin, applicable po sa kanila, eligible po sila for the dependents. Okay? Kung kayo naman po ay single, so pwede pong maging dependent ang mga magulang po natin. Now, of course, yung umaasa sa atin or magulang natin or eldest sibling and so on po. Parents of the principal member kailangan 65 years hanggang 65 years old lang po. Unemployed and dependent upon the principal member. Brothers and sisters no 1-year-old pataas hanggang 21 years of age, walang trabaho, and are living under the same roof as the principal. Ngayon, isa po sa category na hinahanap ng ating ahensya is dapat yung HMO mo is may preventive healthcare. Okay? Ngayon, ano ba ang preventive healthcare? Ito yung paghahanda o ma-monitor yung ating health condition. Number 1, consultation on different MD specializations and subspecialties. Patient history, taking upon consultation. Of course, itatanong po yun sa atin kung ano na ba yung before na nangyari sa atin, sa ating kalusugan. Periodic monitoring of health problems, health education and counseling on diet and exercise. Okay? Kung tayo naman po is nakagat or nakalimot ng pusa or nakagat ng aso, meron tayong coverage na up to 10,000 per member and per year. Health habits and family planning counseling. Ngayon, additional po sa preventive healthcare is ang annual physical exam para po sa mga principal members or yung cardholder. Complete blood count or CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, checks x-ray, ECG, and pap smear po sa mga kababaihan na edad 40 or 40 years old pataas and or if prescribed. Okay? Inpatient naman, kung nangyari na yung ayaw mangyari, which is yung pagkakaroon ng sakit at na-confine or na-admit, yan, meron tayong coverage sa Kaiser ng inpatient care. Ngayon, we have hospital services, list of hospital services, and list of the benefit coverage. Sa room and board, 800 po per night yung i-cover. Operating room, recovery room, maximum benefit limit. Administered medicines up to maximum benefit limit, ganun din po ang x-ray and laboratory exam. And of course, yung mga professional fees, yung physician, surgeon, and anesthesiologist, up to maximum benefit limit po. And ganun din po sa mga medicine na kailangan natin i-intake while naka-confine tayo. For availment, maximum benefit limit ang i-cover. Ganun din po sa IV fluid, transfusion of fresh blood, maximum benefit limit, and ICU confinement, dialysis chemotherapy, radiotherapy, maximum benefit limit. We have laparoscopic surgery of 50,000 per member per year. Yan po yung i-cover ng Kaiser, ng healthcare nyo. Lithotripsy, 50,000 per member per year. Angiography, 5,000. Myelogram, 5,000. Electromyography, nerve conduction velocity studies, 5,000. 2D echo with Doppler, 5,000 po. Ganon din po sa other medical procedures like orthopedic arthroscopy, endoscopy inclusive of one video, androcortical function, 5,000, plasma urinary cortisol, plasma aldosterone, 5,000, mammography for breast cancer, sonomogram, 5,000, laboratory and ancillary services, 5,000 po. Antinuclear or C-reactive protein, rheumatic and its complication, lupus cell exam, 5,000 po yung i-cover. Ganon din po sa diagnostic and treatment procedure for condition with established etiologies and it's only as alternative to conventional methods, 5,000 po. Another one for radioactive iodine therapy, 5,000. Genetic immunologic studies, 5,000 po. Pulmonary perfusion scan, 5,000. Bone densitometry test or DEXA scan, 5,000. Yun nga, as I have mentioned earlier, active immunization for dog bites, venom and anti-tetanus 10,000, congenital illnesses 10,000, treadmill stress test 5,000, and physical therapy na 10 sessions po per member, and pre and post-natal care para sa mga buntis po na once a month only. And outpatient care naman. Sa outpatient care, yung hindi po kinakailangan i-confine. Okay? So, we have referral to specialists, regular consultation and treatment except prescribed medicine, laboratory, x-ray, and other diagnostic exam, treatment of minor injuries and surgery that not requires confinement, EENT treatment, covered po for outpatient care. Ganun din po, of course, isa po sa hinahanap, balikan natin, outpatient care and then emergency care. Dapat may emergency care yung ating HMO. The following benefits are covered for members in an emergency case who is in critical condition caused by an illness or injury. Covered tayo with physician services, medicines utilized during treatment or under emergency care or ER, cast, dressings, and sutures, or other procedures po. Ganon din po pagdating sa oxygen and IV fluids, X-ray laboratory, yung mga procedure while nasa emergency, i-cover po yan through emergency care. Ngayon, pag nangyari pong emergency at nadala tayo sa ospital na hindi accredited, pero may accredited naman, okay? Okay, clear ko lang po ha. For example, yung lugar po nyo na accredited, na may accredited hospital, pero naidala tayo sa hospital na hindi accredited, i-reimburse po yan ng Kaiser. So don't worry, re-reimburse po yan ng Kaiser. And of course, 80% po yun, no? And of course, dapat aware din po yung family members natin na meron tayong ganitong health card para alam din nila yung gagawin just in case magkaroon ng emergency. Okay? Ngayon, nangyari po, totally, wala talagang accredited hospital. For example, nadala tayo somewhere, may pinuntahan tayo, nasa bakasyon tayo, na wala accredited hospital at nagkaroon ng emergency, 100% naman po ang reimbursement sa Kaiser po. Okay? Up to maximum benefit limit. Okay? Ngayon, dental care. Kasama po yan sa category. We have, for principal members only, consultation and dental exam, dental nutrition and dietary counseling, dental health education, restorative and prosthodontic treatment, simple tooth extraction, unlimited temporary filing, annual prophylaxis for mild cases. Additional po is ang simple tooth adjustment of dentures, recementation of loose crowns, permanent filing up to 2 surfaces only. And ito po ang edge ng Kaiser, additional. So may additional benefit or bonus benefit na tinatawag nating financial care assistance. Isa po yan, na tayo lang po yung may ganyan. No, so if ang nangyari po sa mga principal member is natural death, 10,000 po ang ibibigay sa pamilya na may iiwanan. Ganon din naman po kung accidental death, 20,000 or 20,000, double po yung marireceive. Ganon din po sa ating, for example, loss of both hands, both feet, both sides, may kaukulang coverage po yan na matatanggap good as cash ng ating pamilya. Okay? Of course, sa financial care assistance may investigation kasi mamaya sinadya, self-inflicted, or kaya na-aksidente tayo during sa sasakyan, nagdadrive, na-aksidente, nakabangga or nabangga. Baka minsan kasi kasalanan po natin yung pagka-aksidente kasi mamaya under the influence po pala tayo ng alcohol, for example, let's say. So, kasalanan natin kasi na-provoke po yung pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So, yan, medical legal, investigation, police report, i-apply po yan. So, para ma-claim po yan. Okay? Of course. And kung tayo naman po is nasa lugar na alam naman natin, as we all know, na high risk po yung environment or yung paligid or yung lugar, automatically, NIB po, no? So, hindi tayo makaka-receive ng financial care assistance kung dito po nangyari ito. And lagi naman pong integrated ang Kaiser, ang PhilHealth sa mga HMOs, mga hospital po. Okay? So, once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form, and PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the hospital bill. Okay? So Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth sa total bill, PhilHealth, ikakaltas, and then yung matira po, isho-shoulder or babayaran po ng ating Kaiser or ng ating benefit, maximum benefit leave. Good news din, isa po sa additional benefit or bonus or edge natin is we have pre-existing condition coverage. So kung may mga nararamdaman na tayo bago pa lang tayo mag-apply ng HMO na ito, covered na po yung mga sakit na nararamdaman na natin before pa lang. Okay? So ano yung mga pre-existing illness? Ito po. Kung tayo high blood, may arthritis, migraine, ovarian cyst, many more, covered po yan. Ganon din po ang dreaded diseases, yung mga mamahaling sakit, covered na po yan. And may exclusion and limitation. Okay, so yung mga extras, extra bed, extra food, television, DVD, electric fan, admission fee, either bracelet, thermometer, yung mga ganyan, yung mga kits po, limited po and exclusion. May mga exclusion din po. Okay? Hospitalization and treatment outside the Philippines is not covered. Philippines lang po tayo. Okay? Outpatient medical and healthcare services provided only during clinic hours of Kaiser accredited providers. And prescribed medicine on an outpatient basis are not provided by Kaiser. So kung inpatient, yes, covered. Pero kung outpatient na medicines, sa inyo na po yun. Yung mga dermatologist, okay, psychologist, psychiatrist, mental health, check-up, yan, so not covered po yan. Rehabilitation treatment, physical speech, hormonal therapies, or yung mga disorders, hindi po. Hindi po makakover. Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, myasthenia, epilepsy, open heart surgeries, angioplasties, valvoplasties, not covered, excluded, and limited po. Erectile dysfunction, STDs, self-inflicted injuries na mapoprovoke, not covered po. Mga medico-legal officers or fees, professional fees, treatment for alcoholic intoxication and drug addiction or overdose reaction, not covered po. Plastic surgeries, hindi po. Yan. Yan. And ang premium po natin is 7,000 per year. Ang maximum benefit limit po is 75,000 per illness, per member, and per year. Kung may 5 po kayong iba't ibang sakit, times 5 po ng 75 yung i-cover po sa atin. So, per illness po, per member, and per year. Okay? Kung mag-apply po kayo this month, covered po kayo hanggang next year, 2026, ng September din po. Okay? Inulit ko, room and board, 800, annual mode of payment, 7,000 per year, maximum benefit limit or MBL na 75 per illness, per member, and per year. So we have an access to major hospitals. Kung gusto natin higher yung, of course, service, alam naman natin, 5-star hospital na ito, St. Luke's, Asian, Makati Med, Cardinal Santos Medical City, or yung sa malalaking hospital sa probinsya or sa Cebu. Covered po tayo, accredited po tayo. And kung gusto niyo pong mas malaman regarding sa Kaiser, you can check po the website. Nandyan din po ang accredited hospitals and clinics. Nandyan po mga dental clinics po. Click nyo lang po yung clinics and hospitals. Lalabas po yan. And you can search po the province name or the city or lugar kung saan po kayo, kung gusto niyo pong saan ma-check ang accredited hospital po. We have Kaiser Call Center na hotline numbers na 24/7 for Smart, for Globe, for Sun, and maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. So lahat po ng ito is para po sa inyo. If you have questions, sagutin po natin. Maraming salamat po.